Today we'll be making how to formulate carrot shower gel, extreme brightening carrot shower gel with no artificial coloring. So we're going to start with peeling our carrots. There are so many ways you can make carrot shower gel. For example, like using carrot powder, carrot oil, so many ways. But my personal favorite is using raw carrots because I feel like it gives that brightening or lightening effect without incorporating so many ingredients, and I love the scent. So, go for it. So here we are done with peeling our carrots. I peeled it because though I can use it like that, like I can shred the carrot like that and use it, but then peeling the carrot will give the shower gel, our outcome, our final product, more radiant look. Feel free to use this for commercial purpose. Like you can duplicate this formula and do it for sale. Trust me, it will deliver. So we are done shredding our carrots. Now I'm going to blend this. I'm using hand blender. If you have a strong blender, you don't even need to shred this. Just grate your carrot. Peel it and then cut it into smaller pieces and grate it. Right. So I always advise my student to always try and be using natural products when formulating skincare product, because that way you know what you're using, like is so safe and then is effective also, and then you can use the product for a long time without any side effects or your customers complaining of your product giving them any form of stretch mark or anything. Like it's totally safe. So here I'm just going to transfer my carrot juice. I've already blended, extract the juice, and then I'm just going to set this aside. Then we'll continue with our remaining ingredient. So in this formulation for our foaming agent, right, we are going to be using SCI powder. That is what I'm measuring right there. Whenever you're using SCI powder, make sure that you are in a very airy environment. Like, do not be working with SCI powder in a closed room because, guys, this powder is so, it just follow air, like, and it's not good for you to inhale it. So that is our SCI powder right there, and then there's our cocoa bean. I'm using 2 surfactants in this formulation. We are combining the cocoa bean in the SCI powder. That way it will help to dissolve the SCI powder. We are going to double boil this because SCI powder is like you have to double boil it for it to dissolve the powder. So putting the cocoa bean in will help it to dissolve. Again, I will be putting propylene glycol to help the SCI powder dissolve easily, and then to give me that penetrating effect, to help the product penetrate more deeper in our skin. That is the propylene glycol right there. So this product will brighten your skin a great deal. It's very effective and also safe. So if you have a different surfactant that you feel like you prefer using them, like if you can get them jelly, right, you can get them thick and jelly, then you are good to go. Your water content should be the carrot juice. That's it, like easy peasy. You must not you must not use my surfactant that I used. Okay, so here I've started double boiling it. As you can see, it's soft. It's not fully dissolved, like the SAI powder is not fully, dissolved. There are some lumps inside, but then I want to incorporate everything because I want to take this back to double boiling for all my ingredients to just combine together. So I'll be measuring my carrot juice, the quantity that I'll be using in this formula, and then the rest of the ingredients. So as always, if you want to learn how to formulate skincare product from scratch, effective skincare products ranging from soaps, shower gel, lotions, creams, toners, you name it, there is link in our description box for more inquiries. So because I'm taking this back to double boiling, that's the reason why I poured all the carrot juice. Like, as you can see, it's not like it would be hard for it to, like, I need more mixing for it to cooperate, like for it to come together. But then I'm not going to do that because, like I said, I'll be taking it back. So right here is my, what is this? Sorry, that is vegetable glycerin right there. Forgive me. That is vegetable glycerin, and this is liquid Gemma Plus preservative. So please, if you are getting any value from my content, please, I'm begging you to subscribe to this channel, okay? Like my videos, that way YouTube will push them to more audience. And feel free to ask questions if you have. And that is our Lang Lang essential oil. It boosts the brightening effect of this formula. I love using essential oils in my formulations. Like, they have nice scent and they boost the effectiveness of ingredient. So after I double boil this, like I leave it there on a low heat, this is finally what we get. Everything have fully dissolved, and your shower gel is very, very much ready. You can use this right here. I'm not going to package this, considering I'll be adding some few ingredients to boost the lightening effect of this. The clients that are making this wanted more lightening, so I just want to show you that the pH is like 4 to 5. At this point, you can even use it like this. All I'm trying to say is you can use it like this, but me, I'm going to add some few ingredients and then adjust the pH again. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.